That is our Sara Lee family size classic pound cake. One can of strawberry pie filling, one pan of blueberry pie filling. All right, I'm gonna kind of spread my blueberry over here on top of this half of my pound cake. I guess the blueberry is kind of purple, but I was thinking it's blue. We've got our white pound cake, our red strawberry, and our blueberry. And over here, I'm gonna spread out our strawberry. You can marbleize these together if you like. I just thought this would be really fun to kind of do a fun patriotic theme for the summer. Oh, I'm doing a little bit of marbleization, but I think it's gonna be okay. Ooh, y'all, these pie fillings are already making my mouth water. Coming in with our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. And we're gonna start kind of placing this here. I'm putting some in the center. I like to kind of start like that. You could always use a scooper if you wanna kind of try and get an even spread here. I'm just doing some dollops. And then we are gonna go ahead and spread this out upon our pie filling. We're gonna get a little bit of that strawberry, a little bit of that blueberry mixed in, but that's okay. That's just gonna add to the beauty of this all-American delicious summer treat. I got more cheesecake here to use, so no worries. We just wanna get this into an even layer, and you're gonna see why when I put the next layer on top. And I'm filling in all of my little cracks and crevasses here. Baking a cake or assembling a cake, it's kind of like building a house. You know what I mean? You want to fill all the cracks. All right, we're gonna come in with our Cool Whip. We're gonna start putting dollops of this on top. I got a big one. We probably just needed the half size of this, but you know, sometimes go big or go home, I suppose. All right, let's see how this is working out. I want this to be a nice, solid white layer. So I do want to cover all of our sort of berry colors that we can see sneaking in with our cheesecake. And I think this Cool Whip is gonna do the perfect job of that. Looking good already. Alrighty, we've cut our strawberries here into little slices. We have a little fun strawberry slicer, not a machine, I guess, or I guess it is kind of a machine. You know, it's human operated. And I'm just gonna start by placing these. I know that was a big one, and I'm trying to find other big ones to match, Marty, because I know that's gonna drive you insane if I don't. Look at that. Okay. I'm kind of leaving a little space between my strawberry rose here, as you might be able to see, because we're going to be adding one more thing. Now, sometimes I like to use fruits to do a more intricate design. We've done a flag on top with our fruits. We've done all kinds of things, but today we're just keeping it a little bit more simple, but it is still complementing the strawberry and blueberry flavors within our beautiful sweet treat. And we've got our blueberries. And I'm just gonna kind of, look at this. This is like an all-American, simple, kind of country design here. Just placing our blueberries and the strawberries. Just reminds me of summertime sweetness that everyone loves. Alrighty everyone, we're just gonna pop this in the fridge for a couple hours to chill. It's been a couple hours. We are ready to eat our all-American treat. All right, we're gonna come in here, grab ourselves a scoop. Ooh, I can feel the nice, delicious flavors. How does that look?
That looks delicious.
Does it? Perfect. Oh my goodness. The only thing left to do is to take a bite and enjoy. Y'all, happy birthday, America. You gotta try it.